100 push-ups every day, a challenge by the health and wellness expert. Engaging in a challenge like doing 100 push-ups every day can be a rigorous and demanding commitment.
Before embarking on such a challenge, it's important to consider several factors and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Here are some points to keep in mind. Current fitness level. Assess your current fitness level and ability to perform push-ups.
If you're a beginner, it might be more reasonable to start with a lower number and gradually increase over time.
Proper form. Focus on maintaining proper push-up form to prevent injuries. Ensure your body is in a straight line from head to heels, and your hands are placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Rest days. Muscles need time to recover and grow stronger. Incorporate rest days into your routine to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injury. Pushing yourself too hard without adequate rest may lead to burnout or strain.
Variety in workouts. Consider incorporating a variety of exercises to target different muscle groups.
Focusing solely on push-ups may neglect other areas of your body and lead to muscle imbalances.
Warm up and cool down. Prioritize warming up before starting your push-up routine to prepare your muscles and joints.
Include a cool-down session to aid in recovery and flexibility.
Listen to your body. Pay attention to any signs of fatigue, pain, or discomfort.
If you experience persistent pain, it's essential to rest and, if necessary, seek guidance from a healthcare professional.
Nutrition and hydration. Maintain a balanced diet and stay adequately hydrated to support your body's energy needs and recovery.
Adapt the challenge. Be flexible with the challenge based on your progress and how your body responds. It's okay to adjust the number of push-ups or take days off as needed.
Combine with other exercises if your goal is overall fitness.
Consider incorporating a variety of exercises, including cardiovascular activities and strength training for different muscle groups. Set realistic goals. While aiming for 100 push-ups is a challenging goal, it's crucial to set realistic and achievable milestones. Gradually increase the number as your strength improves. Consult a professional. If possible, seek guidance from a fitness professional or health expert. You can tailor advice
to your individual needs and provide proper guidance on form and progression.
Remember that individual fitness levels and goals vary, and what works for one person may not be suitable for another. The key is to prioritize safety, consistency, and gradual progress. If you're unsure about starting a challenge like this, consider consulting with a fitness professional or healthcare provider to ensure it aligns with your overall health and wellness goals.